Welcome back. Today we will be talking about how to give caption to tabulation in Word. To start, first open the Word file that has tables in it. Then go to the table and move the cursor to any section of the table and right-click the mouse there. After selection, go to the References tab from the ribbon and go to the Captions section. Select Insert Caption from the given options. A dialog box will open. There you need to add the name of table in Caption section. Like I'm typing Data Table 1 or whatever the table is about. Also check the label has table written as you are working with tables. And select above selected item in position, as caption of table are added above the table. After that, press OK. Now this will add caption to your table and you can see that it's above the table as we instructed in the options. Now you can edit the font size to your liking and also change its position from Home tab from the ribbon. Or select the whole caption by dragging the mouse while holding the right click. There, select Center if you want the caption in the center of the table. And save the Word document after you are done. You have successfully given caption to tabulation in Word. We hope this helps you in creating a clearer and better tables in your reports. Stay tuned for similar videos. Until next time, good luck!